Mastering phrasal verbs. Formal versus informal usage. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we'll unravel the mystery of phrasal verbs in English and learn about their usage in different settings, formal and informal. Phrasal verbs are versatile and can have multiple meanings, depending on the context. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are made up of a verb and a preposition or an adverb, or sometimes both. They are commonly used in everyday conversation, making them an essential part of English language learning. However, their meanings are not always obvious from the individual words, which can make them a bit tricky to learn. When we're chatting with friends, writing a quick email to a colleague, or posting on social media, we often use informal language. Phrasal verbs are perfect for these situations because they help us convey our thoughts in a casual, natural way. For instance, instead of saying postpone, we often say put off. As in, can we put off our meeting until tomorrow? On the other hand, in more formal settings like academic writing, business reports, or formal speeches, we tend to avoid phrasal verbs. Instead, we use more formal equivalents. For instance, instead of saying, "I'll look into the matter," in a formal setting, we might say, "I will investigate the matter." Let's look at a few more examples. Informal: I need to catch up on my work. Formal: I need to complete my pending work. Informal: can you go over the report for me? Formal: could you review the report for me? Remember, while it's often preferable to use more formal language in professional or academic settings, it's also important to understand and be able to use phrasal verbs, as they're a big part of natural English speech and writing. There you have it, folks. We've learned about phrasal verbs and how their use can differ in formal and informal settings. Keep practicing these versatile phrases in different contexts, and soon you'll be using them like a native speaker. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, the key to mastering any language is practice. Happy learning!